What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to learn you how to put one of these guys on your bike. Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing a RAM mount on the R3. So what that's going to allow us to do is basically mount a phone so you can have it up here so you can use your GPS or Pokemon Go or whatever. I think that's all people use it for now is Pokemon Go. So there is one unique thing about the Yamaha R3, and I'm sure it's other bikes too. Most people use the stem mount, which mounts right here. There's usually a hole that goes down, but this uses a solid bolt, so you have to get a little bit creative. You can't use a handlebar mount because this is too thick, and you can't do it on the clip-ons. There's no space, so you have to use the 1-inch ball bolt mount, which looks just like this. There's just a bolt that goes through it. And then you have another unique problem with the R3. The bolts that come with this are too big. What you're going to need for this bike specifically is an M6 by 50 millimeter bolt. Or you can cut this piece down, which is what I did. Originally, it has this on it too, so it sits taller. I cut that down, and then I used a 40 millimeter bolt. What that does is just kind of streamline it a little bit. Dropped it. So, bolt goes through the top. And then you're just going to take the bolt, just a hex key bolt, out of your handlebar mount. It'll be covered with a little plastic cap. You can just pop it off, unscrew that, and we're going to screw this one in. Make sure that you use a little bit of Loctite on it. Loctite her up, yep. Just because you don't want that going anywhere, especially with your phone on it. If that were to rattle loose, you lose all your nudes and everything, so that's no good. And then you're just gonna screw it on down. It's gonna be pretty tight because there's the thread sealant already, in that hole from having the old bolt in there so tight, or for so long. So just tighten that down. You're going to want to torque it pretty good. Yeah, okay. And that is not going anywhere. So you can see why I took it off. It sits like really, really flush now. Might actually be difficult to get this piece on here. So then this is the swivel. This is what connects your mount to your holding device. I went with the X-Grip. They have a couple different ones. X-Grip seems to be the most popular. And then you just snap that onto there. Loosen her up. Grab your device piece and snap that in. It's going to be kind of tight. You're going to have to use a little bit of muscle. And then you can kind of orient it how you want. So, probably something about like that. Something like that. And then after you get that in place, you just drop your phone on the ground, Street Rossi sticker, boom, and then you tighten her up. And this is all adjustable, so you don't got to worry about it too much. After you get that tight, you are good to go. And you can have your phone, after you drop it on the ground, right there while you ride. So I'm going to adjust mine up a little bit. There you go. You can have your GPS and nudes and whatever you like right there.